How to fix the missing Customize button in Google Chrome. First, make sure you're on the New Tab page. The Customize Chrome button only appears on a new tab, so it won't be visible when you're viewing a website. If you're already on a new tab and the button is still missing, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, go to About Chrome and check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your browser. If you're using a custom theme or an extension that changes the new tab page, try disabling it temporarily. Go to Extensions, turn off any new tab or theme-related extensions, then open a new tab again. If the issue continues, reset Chrome settings. Open Settings, click Reset Settings, then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm the reset. This won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, but it will reset your startup page, search engine, and disabled extensions. Finally, restart Google Chrome and open a new tab. The Customize Chrome button should now appear in the bottom right corner. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix the missing Customize button in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Chrome tips, browser fixes, and easy tech tutorials.